Okay, now this is my webcast, and here's Redbird. He doesn't make a noise. See? Well, here's fun to play around with. He has a white bottom. He doesn't have a tag. He only has a tail, see? Okay, now, now, here's my Angry Bird's keychain. He's the bomb bird. He has this. Now, let's just come there. Okay, now, here's the yellow bird. He makes a sound. He makes 3 different sounds. Like this. Yeah, just... you can see it when I show you to it. Now, this is Big Pig. He doesn't make a noise. He doesn't have a mouth either. But he doesn't even have a tag that says Angry Birds. This guy has a tag that says Angry Birds. See? And this guy too, the bomb bird. Now, here is... Now here is Blue. He's an Angry Birds wheel guy. He says Angry Birds wheel right here. See? Now these are the guys that I showed you all the way. But I have more. Now, this guy makes 3 different sounds too, you know. Now here's her little pig with a helmet. He has a mouth. See? He has a brown nose, a cracked helmet, and he even makes a sound. See? Now just enjoy that. Now just enjoy these guys. Okay, now here is another big pig. He's the green one. He has a mouth, see? And this one has a tag that says Angry Birds. So, this is the Angry Bird tag. He has a brown nose. He's not hurt, though, which is good. You don't. But I have one more. It's my favorite. It is the big king. It is the little king pig. See, he has a crown, a brown nose, a mouth. He makes a sound. See? He has a tag that says Angry Birds. Now let's stop with Okay, now that's all I got. So, just enjoy. Now just enjoy looking at them. I hope you enjoyed looking at them because I'm ready. I am going to take this guy. The king pig goes on top. Pig goes on the bottom. So as you can see, I have this. So I'm using the red bird and my yellow bird. So that is the course. I'm going to knock it out now. As you can see, I knocked one out, the king pig. I knocked them both out. Now that's good.